How to read direct messages on TikTok without them knowing or without showing the red receipt. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can read messages on TikTok secretly or read without showing the red receipt that is shown usually. Well, the process itself is simple. In order to read the messages secretly without showing the red receipt, all you gotta do is turn off the red option. To do so, you want to simply go ahead and open up TikTok and head over to your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Here now, tap on the hamburger or the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner, and from the pop-up down below, you want to select settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, all you gotta do is head into the privacy option, scroll down and you can see direct messages option, tap on it. And you can see read status. People can see when you have read their messages. They will know when you read their messages only when both of you turn this on. So you want to simply toggle this off, and now you can read any messages and they won't be shown. Read status won't be shown to it. So this is how you can easily read messages secretly on TikTok. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.